We have the lights set up. It detects you as soon as you get into the PIR sensor range, as you can see, and goes off. As we move forward into the sensor, it takes a couple of seconds to trigger. From the providers popular on is a 600 lumens PIR battery operated 10,000 milliamp with 3 Kelvin modes for outdoor and indoor use. What we're going to do is unbox the unit and show you what you get inside and how nicely everything is packaged. As we pull out the contents, we have a bracket, remote control, USB-C cable, hardware, the PR battery operated light, handle, and quick guide, the owner's manual. 2 AAA batteries optional with the remote control 5D joystick, 2 buttons on top, 3 buttons on bottom. The PIR sensor, the frosted plastic, the circular handle can act as a stand, opening up the silicone door, the USB-C for charging by plugging in the cable, with the red LED indicator and lightning for charging with the on, auto, security. In this demonstration, we're going to hang up over here, then hang up outdoors. With the lettering up, we take the unit and we place on with the handle curvature, lock into place, and adjust accordingly to the notches. The light is ready to be used. With the remote control, can be placed on the side temporarily and then ready to use. We have the on, the off, the increase, decrease, a timer 30 and 60 with the auto, on, and security. And in the center, the Kelvin changes. With the cable plugged in on the bottom, there are 2 buttons to press. This is the on button and the button to change the Kelvins, and holding dims down the light. Changing the on to auto, and then to security, and then off. Turning the unit on and pressing the on and off button turns the unit on and off. Increasing and decreasing, and the timer, and changing the Kelvins. Auto, on, and security. The PIR sensor reaches 30 plus feet with a 120-degree angle. It takes a fast charge 8 to 10 hours to fully charge. It also runs and triggers 10 times a day for up to 120 days on auto or constant on of 10 hours of runtime. The security will flash and tell that the light is on in a red color. It is IP rated for outdoor, and we're going to set this up and show you what it looks like in the evening hours of the 3 modes, Kelvins, and brightness levels. Placing the unit up 90 degrees, facing down or rotating to the side and adjusting to the angles, and pressing the on button, and then using the remote control to change from the auto, security, or off. The PIR sensor will trigger and light up for so many seconds. As we step out of the trigger zone, "30 seconds later, the light is off. As we step into the trigger zone during the daytime, the light remains in the off state. We'll come back in the dark and see what the light looks like when triggered. It's the evening hour, and this security light has a 30-second PIR sensor that when you start to walk into the lighting area, it triggers on. So what we're going to do is change it to the security visual alarm mode with the light, and 30 seconds later, the light will shut down. As the light shuts down and we move into the motion sensor, the light will trigger and go on. So we have the red rapid flash, or we can control it over here by the controller and turn it on as a light. It's portable as well to walk around, and you could raise and lower the light and change the kelvins of the light as seen. You have low, medium, and high Kelvin, the warm, medium, and cool. This is the security light, battery operated, 10,000 milliamps. It will light the area up, driveways, pathways, walkways, indoor, outdoor. Your lighting system. Hope you enjoy your product. If this is right for you.